Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the new Koi Carp Pet from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the body. Let's draw a large curve up and back down like this. And let's do the same thing underneath. And then we're going to close off the right side with a curve. Next, let's draw the eyes. Inside on the left, let's draw a large circle. And then let's color it in black. Now let's hop over to the left and draw the other eye with a curve here like this. And let's color this eye in black as well. Next, let's draw the fins, starting with the dorsal fin. On the top of the body, let's draw a large curve up, back down, and then curve it over and down like this. And now inside, let's start on the left and we're going to draw a curve over and down. Then leave a gap and we're going to draw one more curve at the bottom here. Now let's hop down and we're going to draw the other fins at the bottom. Start by drawing a curve at the bottom left here. And then a large curve down and back up for the fin. And now let's erase that body line inside. Next, let's add one more curve across the center of the fin here. Now under the body, let's add one more fin on the right side. Now let's add the pattern inside the body. Let's start at the top of the head and let's draw a curve down and behind the eye and over like this. Now move over to the top of the body and let's draw another curve down and back up. Now an oval in the center. Another angled over under it here. A curve at the bottom next to the fin. And then one more small curve on the bottom right. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's add the tail. From the top right of the body, let's draw a curve up and over like this. Then from the end, let's curve it down and back in. And now let's do the same thing for the bottom part of the tail. And now let's add the pattern inside. In the center where the top and the bottom meet, let's draw a curve like this. Now from the top, a wavy curve up to the top like this. And the same thing at the bottom. And that's it for this cute Koi Carp Pet. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!